Theorem of geometric mean. In a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, that is the vertex of a 90 degree, that is right angle, is the geometric mean of the segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Now students, for this theorem of geometric mean, we are taking here the right angle triangle ABC. Here B is the vertex of a right angle, that is measure angle B equal to 90 degree, and we are drawing the perpendicular from this vertex to the hypotenuse, that is seg BD is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. Now in triangle ABC, we are taking measure angle B equal to 90 degree and BD is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. Now in this proof, we have to take in right angle triangle ABC, seg BD is perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC. By similarity of right angle triangle, here triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. See here students, ABC, this is the original triangle, and we know very well that this original triangle is similar with the triangles formed, that is these two triangles, that is triangle ADB and triangle BDC. Therefore we have to say that triangle ADB similar triangle BDC. So here, as these two triangles are similar, therefore by taking the corresponding sides as AD upon BD, AD upon BD equal to BD upon DC, that is the corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now here AD upon BD we are taking as it is. Now DB is replaced as BD upon DC. Therefore here by cross multiplication we will get here as BD into BD, BD into BD equal to AD into DC, that is BD square equal to AD into DC. It implies that seg BD is the geometric mean of seg AD and seg DC. Seg BD, because BD square equal to AD into DC, therefore BD is nothing but the geometric mean of AD and DC. Students, by using the similarity of right angle triangles, we can prove the theorem. We call this theorem as Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of remaining two sides. Converse of the Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, we have to say that in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle.